You won't be snoring when you sleep in an empty stomach. When you go to bed, your stomach should be empty. So finish your dinner 3 hours before going to bed. If you are going to bed at 9 o'clock, you should have finished your dinner by 6 o'clock. Don't take anything after 6 o'clock. You can drink water if you are really in need of it, but you should consume water 1 hour before going to bed. It's very effective and also it's a very healthy way of living. If you follow this regularly, your weight also will be reduced.